Here you have it. This is the first box of Rivet Wars that we received. As you can see, the box is beautiful. Here's the back of it, telling you what's in the box. Now, let's open it. This is the first time we're seeing it too, so here you have the rulebook, full color rulebook. Everything that you need to play the game is in here. And of course you have all the scenarios so that you can replay the game in many different ways, right? So there's a rulebook. Here you have the first box. There you go. These are the counters, and these are the damage markers that fit onto the back of the slots for damage. As you can see, the whole game is beautifully presented in the vacuum trays. This is the Allied side, and this is a Blight side. Here we have the two tanks. The ostrich. It came out super nice. And of course you have the hatch here. You can either play with the hatch with just a normal plug, or you can put in your ally hero. Or any of the Kickstarter heroes that you can put in as well. And then also, of course, you have the cards. You have two decks of cards. It's both in here. You have your dice. And then you have your two unit quick reference cards. The beauty of this is both of them are two-sided. So when you're playing a two-player game, if you're playing the ally, you don't need to ask your opponent what they're playing and what rules they have on their units. You can just flip it over. Right. And then you have the two counters sheet. They're punch boards. Super thick. You have the bunkers and the objective markers, minefields, all the good stuff. And last but not least, you have the tiles and the score sheet. These of course is also made in very thick chipboard and totally flat, no warping. And there you have it, Rivet Wars, coming to you soon. Beautiful game.